Hello students, welcome in the world of chemistry. In this video, we are taking a brief introduction to all the chapters which are included in chemistry of class 12th. Students, there are total 16 chapters which are divided into three portions: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. In physical chemistry, there are 5 chapters. First chapter is the solid state, in which we will deal with the solids, the properties and structure of the solid. Chapter 2, solutions, which are homogeneous mixture. So in this chapter we will deal with the homogeneous mixtures. Chapter number 3, the title is electrochemistry. This chapter deals with the interconversion of the chemical energy into electrical energy and electrical energy into chemical energy. Chapter 4, chemical kinetics. Kinetics means speed. This chapter deals with the rate of chemical reaction or speed of chemical reaction and the different factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions. Chapter number 5, that is the surface chemistry. In this chapter, we will deal the different phenomena which are taking place at the surface of the chemical substances, such as absorption and adsorption. The second part of the chemistry, that is the inorganic chemistry. In this portion, there are 4 chapters are included from chapter number 6 to chapter number 9. Chapter number 6 is the general principles and processes of isolation of elements. This chapter deals with the different physical and chemical process to extract the metal from their compounds. We can say this chapter is the metallurgy. The process is obtaining of metal from their compounds. Chapter number 7 and 8 deals with the different types of elements belonging to P block, D block and F block. In P block elements, we will deal group number 15 to group number 18. And chapter number 8, the D block, we will deal with the transition elements, group number 3 to group number 12. And F block elements, we will deal the lanthanides and actinides, also known as inner transition elements. Chapter number 9, coordination compounds. Coordination compound are also known as complex compound. So in this chapter we will discuss the coordination compound, how these compounds are formed, how their name is formed. We will deal in this chapter. The third portion is the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, which deals with the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Hydrocarbons are those compounds which are formed only carbon and hydrogen. And the derivatives are the compounds which are formed by removing one or more hydrogen from their hydrocarbon by a atom or group of atom. Hydrocarbon we have discussed in class 11 and derivatives we will discuss in class 12. In this sequence, chapter number 10 deals with the haloalkanes and haloarenes, which are halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. Chapter number 11, alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols and phenols are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon and ethers are alkoxy derivative of hydrocarbon. Chapter number 12 deals with the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid are carboxylic derivatives of hydrocarbon. Chapter 13, amines, which are the amino derivatives of hydrocarbon. So in this chapter number 10 to chapter 13, we will discuss the different types of derivatives, their nomenclature, their structure, their method of preparation, uses and properties. Chapter 14, biomolecules. In this chapter, we will discuss the different types of biomolecules. Biomolecules means the compounds which are found in the living organisms, such as proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, deoxyribonucleic acid and many more. and this branch of chemistry is known as biochemistry. So in this chapter we will deal the structure and properties and uses of these type of compounds. Chapter 15 deals with the different types of polymers such as fibers, synthetic or natural fibers, plastic, whatever. In this we will discuss about the different type of polymers. Chapter 16, the title is Chemistry in Every Life. This is the application part of the chemistry. In this we will discuss some important compounds which we use in our daily life, such as medicines, such as soaps and detergent, dyes, and some more chemical substances, their properties and uses in this chapter, Chemistry in Everyday Life. Student, this is a brief introduction of all these chapters. Now, in the next video, we will start from the first chapter, the solid state, and one by one we will take all these chapters and will finish the syllabus. So wait for the next video related to the solid state. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.